Hi guys, so today's video I thought I would do a store cupboard challenge. I've decided to go into my store cupboard, which I keep fairly packed out as I don't have a secondary freezer, and I thought I would have a look in the cupboard to see if I can literally create 10 meals from my store cupboard. And I actually can. So I thought I'd share these with you. So for meal one, that would be a jacket potato, and I would have that with some tuna and some sweet corn. So pretty healthy meal. I'd use all the full can of tuna, and I would just use half of the can of sweet corn. So I'll just put those to the side there. For meal two, I would have a chickpea curry and rice. So I've got my chickpeas, I've got my full bag of rice, I've got a selection of spices here. I have got more spices in the cupboard which I would most probably add, but for the moment I don't seem to have enough room on the countertop. With that, I would use half a can of the cherry tomatoes. I would add in my onion and a couple of cloves of garlic. And as you can see here, I've got a really good Ninja chopper, and I wouldn't be without that. That's perfect for using for the bases of my sauces. So I'm just going to push those out of the way. So meal three is a nice, feel good comfort meal, and that is corned beef, spaghetti and some homemade chips with these leftover Mary Piper's potatoes that I've got. So yeah, I haven't had corned beef for ages, so I'm quite looking forward to having that. Meal four is a pasta one. So I've got my big bag of pasta there, and I would have that with green pesto and chili flakes. That's one of my favourite pasta meals actually. I could add cheese if I wanted to, as is the store cupboard challenge. It's not necessary, just going with what's going in the store cupboard. So yep, so that's meal number four. Then meal number five, we've got curry again. So this will be a green lentil curry. And again, we've got all the spices. Just pick up the one that's just fallen there to bring the spices all back into view. And got my rice here, and I would use the other can of, sorry, not the other can, the other half that was left over from the other curry. I'd use the rest of those tomatoes. I've got another onion here that I can use, and then again I'd use 2 cloves of the garlic. And with some of these meals, especially the curries, they most probably would serve 2, to be fair. So it is a meal that I could have that evening, and if I wanted to put the remainders into the freezer I could. So that works out really well. Meal 6 is another pasta meal. So I would have this stirring tomato and basil sauce with it, with the fresh garlic, a couple of cloves, and I would use up the other half of the sweet corn tin, which I'd use with the jacket potato in meal 1. So again, nice, quick, easy, nourishing meal there. Then meal 7 would be a veggie chili con carne. So I have got a can of red kidney beans. I'd use the sweet corn. I've got another can of sweet corn here. I'd use my other onion. I've got the onion there. And again, a couple of cloves of garlic. And yeah, I would serve that with some rice. Again, I'd most probably have leftovers there for another meal, so that could go straight into the freezer, or be eaten the following day. So really, 2 curries and the veggie chili con carne, that's creating 3 extra meals, to be fair. So we're on to meal number 8, and I'm trying to create some more space. This one is a very quick and easy meal. I would be having 2 fried eggs, and I would be using the other half of the can of spaghetti, and I would be having some toast. So that meal would be spaghetti on toast with 2 fried eggs on top. And then for meal 9, that's going to be pasta in a mushroom sauce. So I've bought this Campbell's mushroom soup. It's cream of mushroom soup. It's condensed, so it's extra flavoured. And I've got my penne pasta here. And yes, I could add in a clove or 2 of garlic if I wanted to on that. And then meal number 10 is again using up a couple of the eggs here, using up a couple of slices of bread for toast, and that's going to be beans on toast. Just getting the beans now. There we go. So yeah, again, I'd most probably use half a can of beans. So beans on toast with scrambled eggs. And sorry, I meant to say with meal number 7, the veggie chili con carne, I have got some cherry tomatoes if I wanted to add in a full tin there. So yeah, as you can see, I've literally pulled out about 2/3 of my cupboard there, and that's created at least 13 meals, I would say. So it just goes to show what you can do with using up what's in the store cupboard. And yeah, I'll certainly be having a few meals this week from the store cupboard, rather than dashing out to the supermarket to buy fresh food for the fridge and the freezer. I hope you found this useful, and I'd really love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I talk about all things budgeting, style, thrifting, groceries, shopping on a budget, beauty on a budget. So it'd be lovely if you would subscribe. And if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye guys.